Hawaii, paradise on earth, the land where delicious tropical fruit like coconut, papaya, and whatever that is, grow abundantly. But do we live here? No, we live in Idaho, land of famous potatoes and land so dry that your hands crack and bleed from just thinking about the weather. Makes growing tropical plants here impossible. That is, until now. My name is Tyler Downer, and this is my plant humidity box. A common hurdle here in Rexburg with growing certain plants is that it's really dry. My project addresses that problem by keeping a steady humidity, relative humidity, in an enclosed container. We'll first go over the different components of my project. First, we have an LCD screen, a joystick, and inside we have a fan, the DHT humidity and temperature sensor, the piezoelectric disc that atomizes the air, there's some water, and then inside, the lid comes off, normally held down by 2 screws. So lift this. I have my I2C board already soldered to my LCD screen. I have the driver for the piezoelectric drive, and I have my Arduino Uno R3. The joystick adjusts the target humidity. A piezoelectric drive is a device that oscillates 2 metal discs at high frequencies. This effect will atomize liquid water into the air where it will dissolve, effectively adding moisture in an isenthalpic process for very little work compared to heat evaporation. Here it is operating and it looks like a faint cloud. This is how the feedback controller works. The DHT sensor takes a reading of the humidity of the air and then calculates the error by taking the difference between the target and the measured humidity. A proportional controller converts that error into a pulse width modulation command that turns on and off the piezoelectric drive to tell how much water we atomize into the air. As a result, more water is dissolved into the air as the error increases and vice versa. The fan circulates the air around to evenly disperse the moisture. Now that we've got the lid on, let's see this puppy work. We're starting off at 48% humidity with a target of 50. There we go. We hit 50 and piezo will be off. It's gonna hold. And this is my final project, Rexburg's finest plant hotbox.